Heaton, the owner of Heaton Products. You can find us at heatonproducts.co.uk. So what is prefabricated steel reinforcement? Well, it's basically steel reinforcement that is supplied to site already made up in cages for easy installation. We make a large range of standard cages, all in different sizes and configurations. These are 3 meters and 6 meters in length. The next part of the video is we're going to be explaining a few different things on how to join the cages together with loose bar, why and how we use these spacers, and I'm going to show you a bit about this corrugated reinform as well. So these are these plastic spacers that we use to ensure that the cage stays within the concrete and not at the edge of the concrete. This is a 40 or 50 mil cover. It's 40 or 50 because it depends on which way around you use it. This here is being set up for 50 mil cover. So you just apply them to the bottom and the sides, and they just clip on simply like this. This is corrugated beamform here. We recommend using this because it reduces the amount of concrete that can be wasted when the concrete pour actually happens. We'll supply this cut and scored to size. Okay, so we've got our 2 1.5 meter long cages that we've just butted up together. We then need to join these cages together, and for that, because these are 16 mil main bars in the cage, we join them together with the same. This is a 16 mil splice bar. We've already started tying these together with tying wire. There's still one left to do, so I'm just going to show you now how we tie it. Okay, so we cut quite a long length of tying wire. So we fold this in half, and then we go round these 2 bars twice, and then around these 2 bars twice, and then we join them together in the middle here. We start twisting, but that's not quite tight enough, so we need to use the nips. Use that bar as a bit of a lever so you can just get a bit more tension on there, a bit more of a twist, and then you just cut it near, and that's done. Okay, so here we have a corner section. You'll see that we haven't pushed this right into the corner. The way we're going to do this is that we're going to have the corner like that, and we're going to create this corner of reinforcement with 8 L bars, and to do that we're going to use an L bar here, 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 and exactly the same here, here, and that'll be your 8 bars. Okay, so we've almost completed this corner with the L bar. So we've used the 7 L bars so far. There's just 1 more L bar to use. I'm not going to tie it in, but I'm just going to show you where we locate this, and then we'll just tie this in afterwards. So just slot that through there, and that'll go in that position there, and that's a solid corner ready for pouring concrete. Okay, so this is the T section that we've already done. So this is your 1 cage butted up against here. So then we've just used 4 L bars, which we have then just tied in, and that's formed a solid joint for your T section. Thanks for watching. So if you have any inquiries, whether they're standard cages or you have some schedules, we even do loose cut and bent as well, send your schedules over to us. The email address is sales@heatonproducts.co.uk, or check out our website heatonproducts.co.uk.
Good afternoon and welcome to Atacon, the leader in rebar spacer manufacturing in Latin America since 1995. This video, we want to give you a quick intro about our all-wheel spacers. Our wheel spacers are circular elements made out of polypropylene with the purpose of separating your rebars from the formworks used in columns, walls, and piles, or any kind of vertical structure. To install them, just put the opening of the disc against the rebar and press down firmly. You'll hear a soft click, which will in turn let you know that the positioner is correctly installed. Remember not to install it by hitting it with your hand or a hammer. With constant pressure, the wheel spacers will always enter through the steel bar, and that way you don't risk breaking the positioner. Due to the high quality of the recycled polypropylene used in this type of disc spacer, it auto-locks itself onto the rebar, avoiding slippage of the element during vibrating procedures. The numerous cavities along the periphery of this product allows for concrete to flow through it, avoiding this way any possible segregation of building materials. As a final point, we'd like to emphasize that once the formworks are stripped, these wheel spacers are completely invisible to the eye because of the fact that only a small point of the disc periphery makes contact with the inside part of your wall form. If you wish to know more about this and other practical construction accessories, please visit us at rebarspacerchair.com.
This is a heavy-duty plastic chair. This is generally used in slabs and beams. It is used to replace concrete spacers as it has a concrete strength of about grade 40, and this is used in first layer. Application method is easy. You slot it in to the bars in between and you just clip it in, and this will give you a nice height of either 1 inch or 2 inches.